Hey guys, Aaron here from SNOWFOAM, and so what we're doing here today is to show you how to swap out the inlet for the SNOWFOAM lens. So the reason why we would do this is because your lens is pulsating while being used, and so the reason why this would happen is because of a pressure issue or if something has gotten lodged inside the lens. And so what you need here is a lens head, the spanner, flathead screwdriver, the spare inlet and plumbing tape. And so what we start off with is using the spanner to remove the adapter from the lens head. And so simply twisting it off. And so inside you'll see the default inlet. And so what we do here is just swap it out. We'll use the flathead screwdriver just to remove the inlet. And then take the spare one. In and tighten it up with the screwdriver. And then obviously because some plumbing tape has come off the adapter, we'd redress it just to prevent any leaks when being used again. And then with this we typically do 5 to 6 layers. And obviously we put back on the lens. Tighten it up, and for further leak proofage, we tighten it back up with the spanner. There you have it.